Hello student, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 9, tourism, transport and communication. In that video we complete the some points. Figure 9.1 number of international tourists, 9.2 tourism and economy. Then some tourism sites of India and Brazil. Now let us start India transport. Look at the transport maps of India given in figure 9.10 and 9.11. Answer the following question. Here this is the map of 9.10 of India's graph and then 9.11. Both the graph of India, important railway routes and airport, national highway and major parts. Here student, our first question is, which means of transport are visible on the map? Which means of the transport are visible on the map? You should try to understand this map. Figure 9.10 shows the national highway and ports. The means of transport used are roadways and waterways. Here student, figure 9.10 shows national highways and ports. The means of transport used are roadways and waterways. Figure 9.11 shows railway routes and airports. The means of transport used are railway and airways. Then our next question is, in which part of India is the density of railway more? In which part of India is the density of railways more? The answer of this question is, the density of railways is more in the northern plains region. The density of railways is more in the northern plains region. Then next question is, name 5 important ports, airports of India. Here student, you see the answer of this question is in the figure 9.10. In which part of India is the density of railways more? Third question is, name 5 important ports and airports of India. Ports: Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Haldia, Chennai and Kandla. Then airports: Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai and Kolkata. Then last question is, which parts of India have the sparse network of transport? What could be the reason? The last question is, which part of India have sparse network of transport? What could be the reason? The answer of this question is, the north and the northeast parts of India have a sparse network of transport. The north and the northeast parts of India have the sparse network of transport due to the mountainous and snow covered areas in the north and the dense inaccessible forest areas of the northeast, and the transportation network is sparse here. Also these regions have low population and lack of economic population. Here student, we completed some questions and answers with the help of figure 9.10 and 9.11. Then geographical explanation. As compared to Brazil, India has a denser network of transport. About 85% of passenger and 70% of freight traffic are carried by roads every year. Freight and the passenger transport has been facilitated due to the development of railway. Railway are important for the growth of India economy. Railway network is relatively less dense in the hill states, northeastern state, central parts of India and Rajasthan, while it is dense in the North India plains. Railway are very important for the vast country where distances are large. So here student, railways are very important for a vast country where distances are large. Waterways are the cheap means of transport. Waterways contributing about 1% of country's transportation in the comprises rivers, canals, backwaters, creeks, etc. Approximately 95% of India's foreign trade moves through ocean routes. Apart from international trade, these are also used for the purpose of transportation between the Ireland and the rest of country. As compared to Brazil, airways is in India are more developed and the use of internal airways is also increased. Then other 2 points are reduce, give it try and try this. Then next point 9.12 figure also reduce in our syllabus.